There are so many ways for you to earn money, even without having a real job. With our ever-expanding technology, making money online is a great option for teens. Here are 5 different ways to make money online as a teen. Learn a skill and freelance. There are so many skills that businesses and people need help with, especially online. And yes, you can even help if you're a teen. Just be sure you know what you're doing and present yourself professionally. You can develop some different skills in writing, copywriting, social media management, digital marketing, coding, bookkeeping, graphic design and proofreading. As with some of these other options, it takes some effort to get started making money this way, but once you start and have some happy clients, you may end up with more work than you ever dreamed of. Start a YouTube channel. Several teens, and even younger, have successful YouTube channels. I'm sure you've seen plenty of them and wondered how you can start one yourself. Figure out your niche, it's what you're interested in, and just try it out. As you create videos, you'll find your style. Once you have enough subscribers, you can add ads to your channel, and affiliate methods that give you a kickback when people purchase products through your links. While it can take a while to make money from your YouTube channel, it can eventually turn into passive income, earning money when you're not even working on it. Play video games. What teen doesn't love video games? Did you know that you may even be able to get paid for playing video games? If you're good at video games, people may be interested in watching videos or a live stream of you playing. Set up an account at one of these online platforms, for example, Twitch, Mixer, and also YouTube to get started. Building an audience can take time. But hey, you're having fun playing video games anyway, right? Start a blog. Yes, even teens can start a blog. If you have a passion about a topic, start writing. Teach people what you know and share your experiences. There's a wealth of information out there about how to make money with a blog, but it starts with quality and consistent content. Take online surveys. I'll be honest, filling out surveys is not the most thrilling way to make money, and you may feel like these websites are a scam. But really, there are lots of legit survey companies out there. You won't make a ton of cash, but it's easy to do, and can be done while you're just sitting around. Plus, lots of these websites accept younger panelists. If you've never earned money a day in your life, that's okay. Now is the time to learn. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell, so that we can share more ways to make money as a teen. See you on the next video.